To make an appointment at the DMV for a Real ID, start by visiting the DMV website for your state to check availability and scheduling options. You can usually find a link to make an appointment on the homepage or under the Services section. Once you are on the appointment page, select the service you need, which in this case is to apply for a Real ID. Choose your preferred location and date, then select a time slot that works for you. Be sure to arrive at least 15 minutes before your scheduled time to complete any necessary paperwork. Before your appointment, gather all required documents, including proof of identity, social security number, and California residency. Typically, you will need to bring a valid passport, birth certificate, or permanent resident card, as well as a social security card or W-2 form, and 2 documents proving residency, such as a utility bill or lease agreement. On the day of your appointment, bring all your documents and any necessary application forms, which can usually be downloaded from the DMV website. Fill out the application carefully and accurately, making sure to sign and date it. During your appointment, a DMV representative will review your application and documents, take your photo, and collect the application fee. Once your application is processed, you will receive a temporary ID and your Real ID will be mailed to you within a few weeks. To avoid delays or complications, make sure to double-check that you have all the required documents and that your application is complete and accurate. It is also a good idea to check the DMV website for any updates or changes to the Real ID application process before your appointment. By following these steps and being prepared, you can make a successful appointment at the DMV and obtain your Real ID with minimal hassle. Remember to plan ahead and allow plenty of time to complete the application process, as wait times can vary depending on the location and time of day.